Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make biscuit brownie at home using an easy method. First, gather all your ingredients like flour, cocoa, and sugar. Next, prepare your baking pan by greasing and lining it with parchment paper. Finally, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius. These simple steps set the stage for a delicious homemade treat. Now, let's create that rich brownie batter. Start by melting 1 stick, or 113 grams, of unsalted butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Then, whisk in 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until everything is well combined. Finally, gently fold in 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. This forms the delicious base for our biscuit brownie. Next, it's time to add the biscuit layer. You can use your favorite homemade biscuit dough or opt for a convenient store-bought refrigerated variety. Simply roll out the biscuit dough to match the size of your prepared baking pan. Then, carefully place this biscuit layer directly on top of your brownie batter. This combination creates a wonderful texture contrast in every bite. Finally, let's bake and enjoy our creation. Place your biscuit brownie in the preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's ready when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow it to cool completely in the pan before slicing. Serve warm or at room temperature for a truly delightful and easy homemade treat. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.